Hey guys, just want to show you something I just picked up. The Slinger by ProOptics. Comes in a bag like this. This is a ProOptics Lens Wrap. The Pro LW15. I'll put a link in the description below. And that's all it is, really. They say it's 15 by 15. Let's take a look here. Not really that it matters that much. It is measuring 14.5 by 14. So it's just a lens wrap. I really thought it was going to be kind of like a case. You know, it had a flap on it already, but it's not that. Pros and cons there. This could be handier, depending on what you use it for. Here I've got my Canon 100mm macro. They have this little piece. The best thing I can figure out what this piece is for is just to keep the hard side of the hook and loop closure from scratching your lens. So I just put it over that. Fold it up. There's really no instructions that come with it on how to fold it, so you just kind of make it up as you go. And there you have it. It's a little cushiony material. A little bit of, it'll keep it scratched. Certainly not going to keep it from, if you drop it, not going to keep it protected, but it will keep it from getting scratched. I often carry my backpack that has a computer in it and other stuff when I travel. So this can take the lens and keep it from getting scratched up inside the backpack, give it a little bit of protection. This is fairly inexpensive, but I can see some use for it. I mean, it's pretty flexible. That's the 100mm macro. This is actually my Sigma 7200 2.8. Let's see if it'll fit in there. I really haven't even done this one yet. It's gonna be a little tight on this one, looks like. There's plenty of room in the circumference. Yeah, I mean, it's got it. You know, it's adds a little protection to it there. Nothing form-fitting, so it's adaptable to all lenses, but you could also use it, set this over here, flash, you know, wrap it up. Adds a little protection if you're going to drop it in a bag, drop it in a case with other stuff. You know, stuff sitting like this in a backpack all day is certainly going to scratch it over time. You know, keeps the lens cap from falling off. Lens cap could be popped off in your backpack. That'll keep it on. And there's a little 50mm. Way more too big for that. I mean, it'll work though. So you could even probably wrap a camera in it. Here we have the Minolta SRT 201. This is not the newest camera that's on the market right now, but this was bought in the 70s, and my dad took pictures of me as a kid with it, so it's got a lot of nostalgic value to me. But if I was going to take this in my backpack, probably not going to do that. But if I was, I haven't even done this with a camera yet, so let's see what we can figure out here. Take this one. Let's see here. Getting a little crazy here. Let's see. Take that. Yeah, there you go. That'd keep it from getting scratched up. You know, actually, I might would put that in my backpack. Now I think about it. I mean, it's got the lens caps will stay on there. The film's not gonna pop out. And I keep it from getting scratched and give a little protection to it as it rolls around. I mean, you can see it's pretty smooth there. Just kind of like koozies, like you put a drink koozie. It's kind of that material. Which also, by the way, works good for dropping a lens in your backpack. So, there you go. This is the Slinger by ProOptics Lens Wrap. And you know, pick one up if you're throwing stuff in your backpack. I'd recommend it for that. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if I helped you. Leave any questions, comments below. I'll be glad to answer them if I can. Hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out, and so you get notified if I do new videos. I do videos on photography stuff and videos on stuff I fix around the house. Tune in. Thanks.